Yo, brothers and sisters, fight with the shadow. Now you can see why I have chosen this title for this video. As you can see, the sun is shining straight from behind my back, throwing shade straight to the wall, which causing problems for you guys, especially for you guys to see what's happening on the wall. The colors I have chosen don't help at all, but well, it is what it is. The sun and actually the shadow on the wall, it wasn't only one problem today during recording. I'm not the best cameraman in the world, obviously, and the reason is I forgot to tap rec button on my phone. That's why you will only see footage, mainly footage from my GoPro, guys, which I do apologize for, but well, like I said before, it is what it is. Sorry about that, guys. Sketching on the wall, it's not my favorite part of the process, but well, it has to be done. Feeling I enjoy it a lot more than sketching on the wall, so it's okay-ish for me, especially if I like the colors. Sometimes colors are just random thing. I just grab the cans, buy random cans, and then think to myself, okay, let's see what I can do with it. As you can see, I'm scratching my head at the moment because I realized every single can, every color, it's a little bit different shade. They're all cans I brought with me that day, they're all different shade. So this is result of my experiments with the random cans. I would have to go home and just bring the cans I previously planned to use, but this is not the case. I don't like waste my time, so there was no point coming back home, so I decided to go with cans I already have. And the result, it wasn't too bad at all, to be honest, as you be able to see at the end of the video. As you probably already noticed, there's another problem with this video. My GoPro pointing a lot too high, so my hand, you can barely see my hand spraying, coloring that piece. Yet again, like I said, I'm not the best cameraman, but I'm trying to get better with the next videos, so bear with me with this one. Sorry guys again. Also, those different shades of colors don't help at all. I had to, like I said before, improvise, which is not too bad, to be honest. I quite enjoy it every single time. There's kind of element of freestyle to my pieces, so it's quite fun, to be fair. And this is the moment when I realized I'm not recording from my phone. Too bad, I was already too late, so that's why you mostly see footage from my GoPro, which is, like I said, pointed too high, so you can just see properly my hands. This is the only footage I managed to record that day, those 2 days actually, because I'm not the fastest writer. I need 2-3 sessions for 3-4 hours to finish my pieces, only because I love to add lots of elements, lots of details. I love to work on those details, so I could spend hours and days doing this. And this is the only footage I've managed to save on my phone. I have started here adding those darker elements in the shadows. I don't do it too often, but this time I felt like something missing in there, so I started doing this. Back to my GoPro, keep adding those darker shadow elements. Unfortunately, you cannot see it because super cameraman fucked it up. GoPro still pointing well too high, so you barely can see what I'm doing with my hands. Well, I promise to be better next time. And this is final result. I hope you enjoyed it, despite many mistakes in this video. Like I said, I promise to be better next time. See you in the next one. Yo, brothers and sisters.